Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. When we were discussing couple of scenarios in the past videos, right, we were getting invalid code on removal of the vehicle. So in this video, we'll discuss about this issue and we'll fix it as well. Okay, for this, let me explain you the scenario. What we were doing. I just created a submission with the two vehicles. Perfect. And then performed a policy change. I'm just removing one vehicle. Okay, I removed second vehicle. When we click on quote, right, it's giving invalid quote. When we see the log, so the cost expires as 2026-72, but the other argument is effective as of 6/19. So there is an issue with cost merge. The other cost must be later than this cost. First of all, we don't know which cost it is, but it is keep on coming the issue. Okay, let's go here and keep a debugger here, because first we need to identify which cost is causing issue, and then we need to design that respective cost. Is there any problem in that design? Okay, meanwhile what I did, I have given this error to AI tool and asked about what could be the issue. Let me show you that AI tool response as well. Yes. Okay, let me close this. Yeah, oh sorry, my bad. Okay, so what I asked, how to resolve the issue. I have created a submission with two vehicles and performed policy change and removed this. While quoting the policy, we are getting this exception. Let's see this AI tool response. This is open code AI, so where we can provide our policy center as an input and we can ask. So this is AI analysis. Error is coming in the cost data. So by seeing that log also, we can identify cost data key is overlapping. Existing cost was not properly split at the policy change effective date. Especially cost is still expires at 7/2 while a new cost starts from 6/19, and 6/19 is less than 7/2, that is the failure. So it has given some analysis, but at the end it has given a workaround that override this should rate slice forward this to false so that cost merge will not happen. But this is not actual fix. So we'll identify what actually it is. Personal auto tax cost. So it has given few analysis. So if you want, I can provide this analysis in the comment section, but I don't think it is required also. So what we will do, we'll keep a debugger here, okay, and we'll code the policy again. First, we need to identify which cost is causing the issue, because as part of in OTB, right, I have created a rate groups, and for this rate groups, I am rating also. So I'm suspecting this could be an issue. If we see each coverage, so each vehicle respect to rate groups, we are rating it. This is only the customization which I did over here in the OTB. So most probably that could be the issue. I'm quoting the policy. Go to the studio. Yes, yes, it's a rate group cost only. If we see key value is coming null. So here itself we can say, let me drag. Okay, it's a rate group cost data where key is null. Why the key is null? We removed vehicle. We removed one vehicle, that corresponding rate groups also should get removed, right? But looks like it's not removing. Let me open this class, rate group cow cost data. Okay, let's see what actually key value. So to get key values, right, we'll be having a method key values only. Yeah, key values. Key values, what it is written, rate group ID. Okay, we have a cost without any rate group ID. That could be the issue, because we are setting rate group in the set specific field also. When we are retrieving, this will come here. This also should be returned. Okay, let me keep debugger here also. And this key value is causing issue. What I will do, I'll just resume as of now. Let me enable debugger and code the policy again. Let's see what is the fixed ID over here. Okay, C then rate group, yes. Then we are going with fixed ID. So we do have some fixed ID. Maybe for the first vehicle, this could be. Let's go the next. Do we have it? Yeah, we have here as well. Let's go. We do have here. We have here. Okay, but it's throwing exception. Okay, let me go back. Am I missing something? Okay, let's quote one more time and we'll see the design, how it is there. Yes, 1685, 686, 1688. Okay, we'll keep here also one of the debugger 681. Okay, what is this key value? Evaluate to find null. We are getting null here. Okay, from where this is being called cost data, cost keys. When it is going to divide partition, okay, it is returning null, this rate group ID. So I think for one of the cost, right, this is becoming null. This could be the removed vehicle. That's what I feel, because we removed vehicle, but respect to rate groups also will get removed automatically. Then why the costs are not removing? So for this, what we will do, let's go to this cost entity. Okay, what is the foreign key? Foreign key with the rate groups. Let me open the rate groups. We have foreign key with vehicle. Let me open vehicle. Okay, so this is the main thing. We have rate groups with vehicles. We have cascade delete as true. That means as soon as we remove vehicle, respective rate groups also will get removed. That is fine. And then go to rate groups and see array relation. So cascade delete is false here. So even though rate group is getting removed, but respective costs for not removing. This is the issue. So we should enable cascade delete if you are not enabling, right? So still these costs will exist without any rate group. That's why we can still see the key value, whatever rate group. If I go to the cost data, where it is, yeah, here. If we see it, right, rate group ID, this rate group ID is nothing but rate group fixed ID. So this is coming null. The reason is in the rate groups, we don't have cascade delete. We have to delete when we remove any vehicle. That vehicle related to any array relation should get deleted, and respective array relations also should get deleted. Then only guideware framework will work fine. So what I will do, I'll mark this one to true. So this is the main use of cascade delete, guys. So this could be a main interview question also. So what is the use of cascade delete? We just saw, even though if we remove that respective covered object, right, that, but those rate groups, those entities will still active in the system with the foreign key will be null. If we go cost, cow cost, right, this entity will be there, but the rate group will be null because rate groups is deleted, but cow cost is not deleted. That's why, but the respective foreign key is deleted, it will sit as a null. Let me restart my server. And what we will do, once server is upright, we will evaluate once. Okay, build is going, let it compile. Okay, why it is taking much time? Okay, what I will do, I will stop the recording, I will pause it and resume once server is back. So server is up now. You can see policy center is ready. Okay, and let me refresh. CGW. Meanwhile, I'll clear log as well here. Okay. Try to quote the same policy. Okay. This is a policy change which is causing the issue. Let's quote. Does it work or not? Usually it should not work because the changes cascade delete was false when we remove the vehicles. That's why we are still getting invalid code. What I will do, I'll withdraw this transaction and will initiate a new policy change. Go with some other date. Okay. Next. And go to the vehicles. I'll remove the vehicle and quote it. Yes, policy is quoted. This is a informational message, not an invalid code. So policy is quoted without any issues. So first we need to identify the root cause where it is causing. So when we implement exactly same as guideware framework, right, things will work in better way. But here we missed because of cascade delete. We were getting the issue. So now we resolved it. This is how we need to identify and we need to fix the issues. Yeah, hope you understand the concept. And if you get similar issues in your project also, right, perform same analysis. Definitely you will get the root cause. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Let's meet in the next video.